I am about to check in Bahiazul Resort in Fuerteventura. It is actually a hotel, but they do like a villas, so they rent a villas instead of a room. All villas have a pool and a jacuzzi, which is amazing. I'm really excited. So let's check in first. Vamos!
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
Here is a reception. They have a restaurant here. You can, if you want, you can book a breakfast or dinner, lunch, etc. We are actually without, we have just a villa. It really looks like small village. All streets are marked. So this is street 9 and then each villa has a number. Street 10. Nice. I really like they take care of this area here. They still do some work. And it's so clean. Here is our villa. It is 3-bedroom villa with kitchen, living room. Let's check the kitchen. Here we got some amenities or kava and some sweets. Perfect. And it looks really nice. Wow. Fully equipped kitchen. Perfect. Here we have freezer, fridge with bottle of water, dishwasher. Oh, sorry. Yeah, dishwasher. We should have also washing machine, which I did not see yet. Here is small toilet, just a toilet and sink. It's fine. And first bedroom. This is a master bedroom. That's really nice. I really like it. Some books if you want. Lots of space. We have a safe here, iron and iron board. That's huge. And a bathroom. I need some lights. Oh, here in the middle. Toilet. And a shower. Nice, not too bad. This is actually classified as a 4-star resort. Lots of towels here. There are beach towels, so you can take them to the beach with you. And I'm going to outside. Those 2 rooms are actually from outside. We have nice sitting area here. Shower, swimming pool. Wow, with a jacuzzi. Perfect. I did not try water, so I'm not really sure if it's hot. It should be heated. We have another room here, similar style. And in this, oh, we have a shower as well and toilet. Where are the lights? Yeah, small shower here, but it's enough, not too bad. I like actually decoration of this villa. And the last room. Yeah, again, pretty similar style. One wardrobe here. Sink, toilet, and a shower. Not too bad actually. I will tell you price at the end. It's 4 adults here, 4 of us plus 2 child. And actually I did not finish. I'm going upstairs and show you what we have upstairs. Wait a second. This resort is near to Dunas de Corralejo. And about like 10-15 minutes drive to Corralejo. Sitting area over here. A grill. This is lovely. Wow. We also we have some water here as well. Some sink. What we have inside? Can we open? Oh, there is nothing. I guess this is just a sitting area. It could be nicer. Yeah. One sunbed. And we have another jacuzzi here. Let's try the water. Oh, it's actually cold. It should be like 33 degrees. I don't know if we can regulate that. I will check it and I will let you know later on. Yeah, so all these villas here are similar. Like some of them might be slightly bigger. It depends what you book. I actually found a washing machine. I will show you. It is here. Washing machine. We are ready to check out from Bahiazul Resort here in Fuerteventura. Where should I start? It looks really nice. It's like Santorini vibe. Everything looks amazing. Like even when I was in Fuerteventura previously and I saw this resort, I was like, wow, it's amazing. Yeah, but I still don't understand how this resort can have so many good reviews, because it's kinda awful. I did not sleep for 7 nights because still something here is making noise, like either air condition, even we switch it off, then whirlpool, it's making noise, we switch it off, everything is making some noise. So it was kinda nightmare. Then we needed to call 3 times to get our whirlpool heated. It did not work. They make it work last day before our checkout, so it's not even point. Our pool was cold as well. They make it like hot 2 days before we check out again. Not really great. You can hear everything. It's not privacy here at all. I don't really actually understand this because it's like a hotel with lots of villas, but they are so close together, and actually I don't see point why I book it again. If I want a self-catering villa or if I want to book villa, I will book it somewhere else. And if I want a hotel, I will book a room or suite. This did not work for us at all. Like, it was 6 of us here, 4 adults, 2 child, and yeah, we did not really like it. Neither of us, and we will definitely not come back. Price point, we book it privately. There is few villas which are privately owned. It is not Bahiazul, so we did not have access to gym, spa or restaurant. We can actually we could go to restaurant and had a dinner there, but it was so expensive. You can walk like 5 minutes and have maybe even better meal for less price. So I did not try it. I can't really say much about the restaurant. I saw gym. It was really small. There is a limit there. It's just for 6 people at the same time. It's really small. Yeah, so I wanted to say about price. For our villa we pay almost 2,000 euros for a week. Crazy. Yeah, for what we got, it is absolutely crazy. And we spoke with one family and they booked it via Bahiazul, so they had a breakfast extra and they pay even like, it was I think 3,200 euros, something like that. It's really expensive, and I don't know why you are paying so much money, because it's definitely not worth the money. It's up to you if you want to try it, but we were so disappointed. And actually last night there was some party next in next villa. It was so noisy. They were in a whirlpool which is on the top till like late midnight, or like even early morning. Yeah, that's it. My experience from Bahiazul is actually probably first time when I'm looking forward to go home and have a proper sleep in my bed. Yeah, my honest experience, I'm not going to lie. But that's it for today. Stay safe, take care, and see you later. Bye bye!